Hey guys, this is a quick demo of the dual camera function on the Kenwood DDX419BT. So firstly, let's go into the settings. So what you do is click menu and press setup and input. So you'll see there's front camera and rear camera settings. So firstly, we'll go into the front and you can turn it on and off, reverse image on and off, and front camera interruption duration. And in the rear camera, you can turn on rear camera interruption on and off, parking guidelines on and off, and you can also set up the guidelines as you wish, as you see here. Okay, let's give it a go. So I'm sending the reverse signal into the reverse on the head unit now. So that will turn on the rear camera view. And when I release the signal, it switches automatically to the front view. Okay, let's go back into settings. Just hit setup, input. Okay, in front camera, now I'm gonna turn off the reverse image and turn up the front camera interruption duration. I'll send the reverse signal again. Yep. And as I let it go, it'll switch to the front view, and this time if you notice, the front view image is reversed. And it's gonna stay on a little bit longer now, for about 20 seconds. Okay, let's try this again. Let's turn on the input, rear camera settings, turn off the parking guidelines. Okay, and on the front camera, let's reverse the image again and turn down the front camera interruption to 5 seconds. I'm gonna send the signal again to reverse. That triggers the rear camera view, and as I let it go, switches to front, and if you notice, the image is reversed again, and for 5 seconds it's gone. That's pretty much how it works. Thanks for watching.